Hi there, this is Veena. A warm welcome to Patty Cake. Today we are making a soft, moist and delicious wheat flour and jaggery cake. And we are making this amazing cake without maida, egg, butter or sugar. Let me show you how I make it. We have to start by preparing the cake pan. I have greased and dusted a 7-inch round baking pan with atta or whole wheat flour, lining just the bottom with parchment paper. Next, in a mixing bowl, let's whisk 1/3 cup or 5½ tablespoons of yogurt till it is smooth and free from lumps. Now let's add 140 grams or 3/4 cup of jaggery powder to the yogurt. But you could use an equal weight of grated jaggery instead. And you could grate the jaggery even with a knife. Let's whisk this. And then add in 1/2 cup of milk. Let's whisk this mixture till all or almost all the jaggery dissolves. Let's set this bowl aside for now and start sifting 1¼ cups of wheat flour, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll sift this mix twice because wheat flour or atta tends to be dense and compact. This way, we'll make it light and airy. Now back to our jaggery mix. Let's give it a final whisk to make sure all the jaggery has dissolved. Now we'll stir in 1/3 cup or 5½ tablespoons of cooking oil. Use any cooking oil without a strong smell. Let's also stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then fold in the flour mix. The batter should be smooth and lump-free, like this. But it's a little too thick, so using a spatula, we'll adjust the consistency with a little water, adding in 1 tablespoon and then a 2nd tablespoon. It now has a nice ribbon-like consistency. But remember, the exact amount of water you'll need to add will depend on the quality of your wheat flour. Different varieties of wheat flour absorb different amounts of water. Now let's pour the batter into the prepared pan. Let's tap the pan on the work surface to remove any air bubbles in the batter. Here I have around 2 tablespoons each of chopped cashew nuts and almonds and a few raisins. I'll now sprinkle these across the top of the batter. You could bake this wheat flour and jaggery cake even on the stove top in a kadai. Place a metal stand inside, cover the kadai and preheat it for around 5 minutes on medium heat. Then place your cake pan inside, cover the kadai and bake the cake on low heat for around 40 minutes. But first, check the cake with a skewer after around 35 minutes. I'm going to bake my cake in an oven at 180 degrees centigrade till the skewer inserted into it comes out clean. The cake took 40 minutes to bake. In your oven, the cake might need a few minutes more or a few minutes less than this. Let me repeat the skewer test for you. The skewer is clean. I'll now let the cake cool in the pan on this wire rack for around 15 minutes. It's now time to loosen the cake from the sides of the pan and then unmold it. Our eggless wheat jaggery cake has baked perfectly. It's soft and looks so good. Let's cut a slice and check how it has baked. Soft and fluffy. Our cake is incredibly delicious. Do give it a shot. I'm telling you, you'll be amazed that a cake made without maida or eggs or butter could be this tasty. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. And for more quick and tasty recipes like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Bye for now. And till we meet again, happy cooking!